Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install torsion springs on recessed lighting. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. What I have here is a modern piece of a recessed lighting. Now this is retrofitting, so this is a modern LED light that is going to be going where an old can light was. Now what you want to look for are these two sort of hooks on the inside of the can. And sometimes they're already going to be there, but in this case they're not because the old trim was mounted using springs. So you might find these tabs right here. And if you have these tabs over here, then what you're going to do is you can use either your finger or a screwdriver to pull them out. There should be two tabs on either side because each of the sets of torsion springs require two tabs. So I'm just going to use this screwdriver, and as you can see, I'm just going to sort of pop this out. It doesn't need to go all the way out. It just needs to be sticking out a little bit, okay? Right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and we're just going to pop these out of place just like this, just so that they can hold the torsion springs in place, just like that, okay? So now once you pop them out, you want to make sure that they're at a good angle or else it's going to have trouble holding the light in place. And obviously I'm going to be making the connection separately. This is not connected. This light is not connected. I'm just showing you how to mount it. So these are the torsion springs. What you want to do is just squeeze them together, okay? And then I'm going to feed them inside of those two tabs, okay? So I've fed them inside of those two tabs. You can already see that they're already being held up on that side. And I'm going to do the same thing on this other side here. I'm feeding them inside of these two tabs over here. Once you have your torsion springs, you want to make sure that they're nice and securely in place. Then you can push your recessed light up into place like that, and the torsion springs will hold it in place. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.